The smiley face, the frog, the high-heeled shoe. Emojis are the it way to communicate on social media, and for many millennials, they've become a language of their own. And with student debt in America totaling $1.2 trillion, it's a top-of-mind issue for many of them. So when Hillary Clinton proposed her new college compact plan,
you will not have to borrow money for tuition to attend a 4-year public college or university under my plan.
She took to social media to galvanize support and asked the Twitter universe, how does your student loan debt make you feel? Tell us in 3 emojis or less. How did it go? Probably not as smoothly as Clinton and her social media team planned. It seems Clinton's Twitter audience takes issue with being asked to communicate in emojis. One writing, you know what people who went to college can use? Words. And the billions owed and student debts come down to emojis? Wow. Many others took issue with the word less in Clinton's tweet, preferring the more grammatically correct fewer. But some played along, feeling the burden of student loans. Seeing as I just realized I owe $100,000 more than I thought, incredibly depressed and panicked. And if I can wipe out a couple $1,000 per emoji, I'm in. But not all the responses were angry or dire about student debt. This guy is all smiles, because I am fiscally responsible and don't have any, nor do I expect others to pay for me or entitlements.